What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y back with another video. Excuse me. Today I'm gonna take you guys on a trip with me. We're gonna see what we can score at Summit, man. It's early in the morning, so I got my little bagel. We're gonna get to it, so y'all just take a little ride with me. We're gonna see what's going on. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. Let's go. That's Summit, man. Alright. We up chill. We're gonna see. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. Try to give y'all what I can. It's our scratch and dent section. It's cool. Whoa, what's this? Hold up, cuz. Let me look at this. Hey man, I ain't gonna be able to, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, dog. This our scratch and dent section. I ain't gonna be able to get it all. We gotta look through some of this stuff, man. I'm gonna cut y'all on, cut y'all back on in a minute. Cut y'all on, cut y'all off. Alright, we back. Hey, I got too happy. Oh shit. My bad. Got too happy, y'all. Go ahead, like I said, we got a whole scratch and dent section that you can find stuff in. All pan. Just different stuff, man. I caught some stuff out of here before. I ain't gonna hold you. I don't put everything on YouTube, but I have caught some stuff out of here before. That's why I was trying to hurry up. They actually got a 6L80 there. I don't know how long it's gonna be here, but they got a 6L80 right here for half the price. So yeah, QA1 and all that. Let me get in line, man. Just like that, we out. I'll get you guys with a wrap-up video when I get to the house. That's what we doing for today. This is one of my other favorite places also. Going in here to get a couple tools. I don't know if I can record in here. I don't know how they be acting because this is a whole nother side of town, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna go in here and grab a couple items and then I make it to the house. I'm really under a time constraint because my wife got something to do, but we're gonna knock it out. I'm gonna say this. Any person that really do this shit, you always adding tools to your collection. Every time, bro. You always adding something that you never had before. So that's it. Alright, so yeah, YouTube, this another day. When I got back, I didn't get to film, man. I had so much going on yesterday. I didn't get to film, but I didn't look at none of this stuff neither. So I said I wanted to film it. So I'm gonna show y'all what all I got from the 2 stores I went to. So here we go. Alright, so we got 2 boxes right there. You got to see the Summit bag. You know I went to Summit. I went to Harbor Freight. I'm gonna show you what I got from Harbor Freight. Just a quick little grab. I got gloves. I needed more gloves. I actually used some gloves yesterday to clean out something. I got planes flying over my house, but anyway, I got this transfer pump. You know, take that old gas out or whatever. You know, when stuff happens, sometimes your car sit up, you don't want to use that same gas. You're doing something with your tank. I just needed one anyway. But anyway, I got that. Got me some zip ties, man, for whatever I'm doing. I might have to zip tie some stuff. You know what I'm saying? And the last thing is, this is gonna help me with the new job that we gonna do later. You see what that is? That's a spring compressor. My bag. Do it say it on that? Here we go. Yeah. Boom. That's that spring compressor, man. I'm gonna compress them springs, so that's what that's for. So that was my Harbor Freight. That's what I got at Harbor Freight. So now we're gonna get on to the Summit stuff. All right, so we're gonna start with the small bag before we get into the big stuff. Just trying to give y'all a hint. This is one of them. What they say, the BMR hardware kit. Control arm kit, upper and lower. That's that. We're gonna see what that do. And then we got these two boxes right here. One of them is that, your BMR, and the second one is this. We're gonna go with this since you already know what this is. We're going here. Give me a second. I can't just open this box here. It's a little different, so give me a second. Let me open it. I'm gonna cut you back on. All right, so anyway. I took him out of here to see. I can see it through here. Let's see. Oh my God. We got oh, I'm gonna throw that out there now. Let's see. We have, oh yeah, that look good, bro. That look good right there. That look good. That's the upper control on. Red. Look real good, man. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good in SS. That look good in the SS. Give me a second. I think this probably another one. I think it is. I ain't gonna open that one. Go on to the bottom. Okay. Okay, it's my bushings. Both of my bushings, okay. Cool. Hold on, wait. Oh, them Pro 4 bushings. Ah, you dirty dog. They use Pro 4 bushings. Alright, let's see. This is what I want to see. I really want to see that bottom. That bottom. Y'all hold on one second. Hold on. Alright, yeah. Look at that, boy. That look good right there. Oh yeah. That's nice, cuz. It's gonna be alright with this. These more beefy too. They beefy. I didn't think they was like that. Alright, that's nice, cuz. It's gonna be alright. I didn't know they use Pro 4s. Why? So they use Pro 4. Okay. That's good. Ball joints, bro. Pro 4, we straight. So this the first one, man. I got uppers and lowers, BMR. And these cost, I should have been got them. When I seen them, it was like $5.50. Now they like $7.75. I lost on that one. I don't like to say prices, but that's how much they cost. I lost on that one. Waited too long, but hold on. I'm gonna put this back and cut y'all back on. Alright, first box closed. On to the second. The second box here, right here. It's flipped backwards. I don't want y'all to see. I ain't never seen this. But I tell you, the control arm clean. You got them control arm, you got to have something else nice with it. Ain't playing. Ooh-wee. See what's going on. What's all this? Say, huh? Boom. If you see that right there, you know what's going on. QA1s, you know what it is. And boy, I ain't never seen one of these in person. That's your part number right here. But boy, we about to open this up. Oh yeah. That looks good. Shout out to 87 SS boy. 87 SS, bro. Motherfucker look good, boy. I don't mean to be cussing, but that look good. Shout out to 87 SS, boy, man. Let's see what we got going on. We had this conversation. But these right here done went up 2 times in 1 year. Both of these went up, but these went up 2 times in 1 year. These used to be 5 something, dog. And now they like $6.65. I hate to say pricing, man, but I'm telling you, they high now, bro. But I had to get them, man. I got tired of waiting. I ain't want them to go up no more, so we got them. That's what's coming to the channel, man. Install videos on both of these. QA1. We got the BMR. Now, I know a lot of people gonna be like, oh, how you got BMR? You know, that's just what I decided to go with. We'll go on that, talk about that later. Anyway, QA1s, man. I mess with them. And they getting installed. So those the shots. I know this the screen. I need to see it because I ain't never seen it. We can open it up. I don't give it. Dang. I spent all that money. Oh yeah. Alright, boy. Okay. Spent all this money. We need to see all this. Let me see inside the box too. What's in there, boy? We need to see all this, boy. Spending all this money. So we got the springs. And we got the shots, man. I'm so happy, bro. I can't wait to put it on. I gotta work, but I'm gonna work on it after work, so y'all gonna see a video on this. Oh yeah, my bad. I meant to tell y'all what's going here. It's another thing I got in here. Let me see what all I got in here. That's just that. But anyway, when I bought my coilovers, I did. A lot of people don't do this, but I got the spinner wrench to adjust them, and I got the thrust bearings because from what I heard and what I seen, them thrust bearings gonna doggone it make it easier to adjust. You put that in the middle and one on the top and one on the bottom, and they'll be able to adjust better. So I'll be able to spin mine quicker. If you ain't got them thrust bearings, it ain't never $54. $54 go on and get this whole kit because you done spent all that money on springs, them shots and springs. You might well go on ahead and get this too. So yeah. So with that being said, man, I'm happy with what I got, bro. I'm happy with everything that I bought. Now, I wish I could have been started on this, but I had stuff to do with the family this weekend, so I ain't get to start. But I damn sure wanted to so bad. That's why it'd be hard for me to shoot videos, y'all, because I be really just ready to get in there and start putting it on. It's hard. I don't be wanting to record all the time because it take a lot of time to record and do that, you know what I'm saying? But we got the stuff, man. Now as far as the BMR suspension, I know a lot of people gonna be like, man, why you get BMR, bro? Why you didn't get UMI, whatever? You got UMI rear. I do. But at the same time, bro, I didn't even really want to spend the money to get the UMI. I'm gonna just be honest. I didn't want to spend the money. It ain't like I don't got it, because I can get it. You know what I'm saying? I can buy the UMI. But I didn't. It's like, for what? Just to say I got UMI, bro? These BMRs gonna do the same thing them UMIs gonna do, you hear me? So, and y'all wouldn't know. Unless I just told y'all right now these would BMR. You wouldn't know, bro. I slap Umi stickers on it, boy, and it'll be Umi front, Umi back, you hear me? I don't give a damn. But to be honest, dog, I like the BMRs. I supposed to been had them, dog. If I had it my way, I would have got the BMR back, the rears up in Lowe's and Andes, but I had caught them Umis for a good price. So this was before the price hike. So I got them for like $2 something. So, you know what I mean? I think $2 something, 300, somewhere around in there. It was real, they were cheap, but now they ain't that cheap. So that's why I got the BMR, and I paid too much for them because I supposed to got them for $550. But anyway, so yeah, just stay tuned, man. Like I said, I know some people like these unboxing videos. It's what I got. I never film them because I ain't know people like to see them, but now y'all see. I do be having stuff. I just don't be filming it if I ain't like putting it on the car. You get what I'm saying? But anyway, so stay tuned for the next videos, dog. We're gonna be installing some of this stuff. Like I say, sometimes them shops get bagged up. You don't know where to start. You gotta do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y, and we out. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to this video, dog. Trying to get to 100,000 million billion subscribers, bro. So let's go.